Sure, sure. Hello everyone, welcome all for this session. I'm Ashwarya and Digital Marketing Head of Chal Genius. We are today with Zahid Akhtar, the founder of One Life. Okay, which is basically focusing on mental health of the people during pandemic, and this the then the today's session is also on the same. Here, he will speak about the thresholds of hope and all. Okay, so shall we start the session?
Yeah, please. Again, to reiterate, so this is Zahid Akhtar, and I have been representing a company called Mental Health for One Life. I have been representing, and we have been doing a lot of programs during this COVID times. And in fact, we incorporated way back in 2019 when we started off with mental health awareness trainings, and in fact, giving solution from top to bottom, no matter what age and platform you are basically into. Your consideration that leads to different positive and negative aspects of mind has to be taken care of. So we have a group of people and counselors, and in fact subject matter expertise from the domain who are there to help you from giving you all the solutions whatever is going on. So mental health is not about only about one particular thing. There are variations of mental emotional disbalance or imbalance we have in our life. So at that time you either find somebody from your own people or from your relatives or probably a friend circle to catch hold of what situation you are into, and then suggest some good points to cope up with that situation. But there are times when the person feels lonely and is not very vocal about what they actually looking for, or probably they fear of talking to somebody, or getting in private communication with somebody else. And so that is why it has become a taboo to a lot of people. But then One Life as a company is helping you out, that if you have any problems, we respect we the privacy, and we make sure that whatever you are going through is very private to us and the team. And we after analyzing and understanding your key problem area and gray areas, we try to give you solution through the expert advice. And then we get it to the next counseling level, where we have the therapies, the sessions, and with that goes on with the system. So it is not like, as per the findings, we normally say that um, uh, it 70 to 60% of cases is normally it get resolved most of the time, and only 10 to 20% is something that needs to be taken care of. So the company gives complete solution on mental health from top to bottom. This is what the company profile is all about, and we feel free to come up with any kind of so it's again, we as we say that it is a mental imbalances, and that happens in lifetime couple of times. So you'll feel sad, happy, you feel disgusted, you feel um, you feel terrible sometimes, or hopeless. All this is a part of mental imbalances you have, but with the time you have to cope up with that. So it's just like the way we have a physical imbalances with us and we see the doctor. So mental health is also something that is very normal, and you need to see your counselors or talk to us and talk to people around whom you trust. And so if you to get out of the problems and scenarios. So this is One Life that is doing all the way through awareness drives and personal counseling. So feel free to talk about it. Today, in
Yeah.
this yeah, Aishwarya, please go ahead, and then we'll proceed with the presentation.
So I request our guests, all the event participants, that they can ask questions freely. Right? We can answer in between or at the end of the session, but they can ask questions if they require.
So we'll keep it at the end of the sessions, so you can keep track of the questions that you are coming with, and then we'll take up at the end of the session. So I'll try to be very particular about, very casual about the things, because this is not a formal training or a session that needs so much of brainstorming. So
Right.
we'll be proceeding with that. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can start with the presentation, and then we'll take up the questions. Now, this is a very
Great.
presentation which is like very simple and easy to understand. So when we talk about building hopes, we talk about different, ideas and ideologies to make sure that um, you cope up easily with the current scenario. And whenever we have some troubles and we talk about mental health, the very first thing that comes to mind is it's everything starts from your mind and ends with your mind. So your mind needs to be very stable and in a understanding mode to cope up to different adverse situations. So,
Sahil,
yeah, go ahead, Aishwarya.
right, I like screen is visible or not?
Yes, yes, it is very much visible.
Okay, okay.
So I
Thank you.
can,
You can right.
yeah, good. So you can go to the next slide. Now, threshold dose of hope is basically all about, a belief system, that belief in the future, that present things will also go on with the time, and how you exactly come out of it and make yourself powerful enough to sustain, and then come up with something you have thought of as a life goal, as a career goal, as a future goal to yourself. Because life has no meaning if it is if you don't actually think about your future and what you exactly intend to do in your life. So a life without a purpose is all useless, and it is just like um, okay. So this is all the session is the presentation is all about. In fact, we'll go to the next slide. So I'll give you a couple of things, because whenever we have some troubles and we think that um that we have to cope up with situations and life problems, and how to get into positivity when negative things are going around. So the main thing which is normally shared by the counselors, professionals, and experts in this matter related to how mind works is basically they suggest one particular thing most of the time, is that you have to divert your attention towards something which is very positive, and by diverting you actually are helping yourself to come out of the gray areas or negative areas or negative emotions that is not helping you cope up with the situations. So that is one of the things, and this is being again to reiterate, and we are doing this in coordination and collaboration with Chal Genius, who is a startup platform who promotes startups and do promotional activities for them, and connects to a different level of people who are investors, mentors. And he also covers, one of the major thing they do is they cover startups and entrepreneurs who are doing best in their own lines, whatever the area is. So basically, from top to bottom, no matter how big or small your startup is, if you're doing something good, you can always reach out to Chal Genius. Thanks for your support. Aishwarya Gupta is currently um, yeah, being a moderator here. So we'll go to the next slide.
Okay.
Aishwarya, you have something to say?
No, sir. You can carry on.
Yeah,
Like we will.
feel free to say and ask anything if you have something. So I leave up to you. Yeah. Now,
Okay,
the
okay.
very first thing that we have been suggesting people around is grow. Now, develop a habit of growing something, right? Growing something in terms of like you do a plantation, right? That is why we mention as grow, because a lot of people have come into all this kitchen gardening or plantation activities,
Right.
right? You can order some seeds, you can plant something. So while watching all these things grow in front of your eyes, you also you're diverting yourself from the negativities of life. So, and the moment you start caring, watering, and all those stuffs, it brings a very good feeling that yes, at least I have to do something in my balcony area or the places where I live. So you are not interacting much to the outer world, but this is something that has been suggested with most of the people who are into positive psychology. We can go to the next slide. Yeah.
Yeah.
So second thing that we ask people to develop a habit is of making something, or getting into creative mode. Now, making something means that you'll be finding people to start. They have been feeding animals and birds, so you can start something like you make a bird house, or you start something like planting a base where you can have the birds eating something or drinking water. So all these habits we have been doing it, but over the all this pandemic times when you are limited yourself to your house and homes, so this is something which is a kind of activity we can involve each day, every day, because it comes from within and you feel very happy about doing it. So creativity also means creating some good stuffs or creative stuffs from the used materials like fabric, clothes, or buttons and all those stuffs that has no value at all, but you start making out of scratches. So this is one of those ideas, and you have to make something creative. We also suggest to get creative in terms of developing or a skill set that you have lost for all this childhood memories where you used to play around or do something creative like singing, dancing, or um, doing some creative work. So this is the right time to start and make something very good. We can go to next slide, Aishwarya.
Right.
Third one is basically share, and we have been listening to this, in fact, and experiencing a lot of people who have got into the mode of, donations and feeding people and plant your animals and people from different phase of life, walks of life that maybe. Somebody who's not even affording to cook during this pandemic time, or they have got into COVID-19 positive and nobody is there in the family to actually cook food for them. So these are all donations and help you are providing at this um, pandemic time. So this is also you share good time with them, you share stories with them, share your own stories, share the stories of other people who are doing good work. And again, it motivates you to do something good. In fact, it motivates other people to also take up some task. And because storytelling is one of the things you can also ask your kids and the people. So a lot of people say that you are introvert or you have been introvert all these years, but storytelling is something that is also making you go positive, as well as make yourself an inspiration to a lot of people who don't have the power of they don't know the power of speaking precisely. So when you start making stories of yourself, so you sharing stories of other people, then people do get it motivated out of it. And these are small little stories with so much impact that every other person right away looks you as an inspiration, and they also feel great to share their own stories. This is something even is making sense to a lot of people during this pandemic times. We can go to the next slide, Aishwarya.
Yes, Zahid, can I
Yeah,
ask
go
you
ahead.
some? Right.
Yeah, please,
Like
Aishwarya.
I want to ask you, ki, like how you are giving these services to like people, like how you are like pitching them and telling about all this stuff.
About storytelling.
No, no, no. Like about your services, like how you are doing this.
Okay, so if you talk about, so that is something that I'm not very precisely, because this is about building hopes. So I was keeping it to very minimum about what services I do. So we do it in an online. We have all the services. You can get our services, the mental health counseling and related stuffs through any of the mediums, through social media connects, through email, or you can also get it done through a phone call or probably a text message and other stuff. So we are very much approachable, and we have the site onelife.net.in, where you can also put down your information, or you directly connect to us through our WhatsApp numbers mentioned. So very
Okay,
much, yeah. So
okay,
thanks for asking that, because people should also know that, yeah, these things are very accessible, and we make sure that out of our own promotions and sessions, we make sure that people get to know that these kind of services are very much available in Odisha, and we are serving the nationwide people from all across the India. So that's not a problem with us as of now. Um,
okay.
the
Thank
other
you.
thing that we know most of the people say about um, you building hopes is you can divert your attraction, your attention towards uh, giving. Like I talked about the donations, right? It is not only that you are just giving out of your own pocket, or even if you spend time with somebody, you talk to somebody and you give them some hope. That is also a donation, kind of donation. So either you do it or you get it done from some others. They all is the joy of giving is um, enhanced there. So you can also make the other lot of NGOs who are already working on different fields and talk to them how you can help out, and reach out to them if you have any kind of help that you can give to them. So a lot of people have been doing so. More new people have come to share all those things, share time, share experience, even sharing by calling them and showing them the support that any time you feel like you have something to say, if you're mentally distressed, you want to speak to somebody, please talk to us. So this also comes in giving. So be ready for helping other people and the society. And this is something we also, and once you do that, it becomes very, it's a very feel good factor that, at least people are considering and recognizing me for my good work, right? We can go to the next
Yes.
slide.
Working for NGOs is very nice.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can show them support. So it's not that you have to mandatorily go there and work. Even if you show and care and support them, that's enough for them, right? Other thing that we mention normally is reach. So reach out for goals. Very initially, I talked about how you exactly um, have to make sure that your goals are defined, because at any point of time, if your goals are not defined properly, then obviously you would not be able to reach the goals. So you need to decide what exactly you're doing to your life has to be like. So what you want to gain personally and professionally, that has to be designed. And when you talk about design, you have to schedule it properly. So that is one of the things that most of the people are missing. So once you said that I have to achieve this point, what all are the tools, how exactly I'm going to do it, how I can start scheduling my things so that I achieve the smaller little goals towards the bigger goal. So this is something that you have to decide yourself how to reach, and how what exactly you have to be doing to reach that particular goal. So even if you are a startup and you have a goal to do, how exactly you're going to define your startup, what is the goal you have decided for your startup. And once you decide, you have to start you know um, digging into it and scheduling a task accordingly, so that you achieve those small little targets and a big final target, right? So this is a reach. We talked about reach, and during these times, this is enough time for you to start developing your skill set, and start scheduling, so that when another couple of days, and you would be ready to get for the next leap. So we can go to the next slide.
Okay.
So connect is something that we have been mentioning. Connect does not necessarily means that connect for your personal good. So building connect at this pandemic time is also important. You can meet people. There are a lot of people who are going through um, tough times where they have lost their loved ones. Number one. Secondly, they are also like um, we are going through a lot of pain related to financial burden, or probably something related to your to their career related stuffs, that they are not able to define their careers, or they're very much hopeless about what is going on, and how they would be able to reach to their goals in the coming days. So the future is not uncertain. You're not certain for them. They are like very feeling
Time
hopeless about it. Yeah.
many students going to this phase,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Schools are closed, their colleges are closed. Even the like 12th class students and final year students are in very much like worse situation.
Mm-hmm. So I have been doing a regular sessions for that, and in fact, it has helped a lot of students to achieve this whole building activities. This is not the first time. We have been doing it for a couple of times now. Now, you can
Very
do
nice.
this by even a small. phone call or probably a Google Meet or a Zoom meet with your people, your friends, your circle, because this is the time when you need to, support them that yes, there are some people, there is me who is going to help you out. And just by talking, you also give them a lot of support, which they have been missing for all this time. Because you will find a lot of people who have lost their loved ones, but they get into more kind of critical problems when they don't have anybody to talk about their mental problems or the stress they are going through. So spend time in talking to and people around, no matter whether they are their own family or somebody who is, whom you know
There.
very less.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead, Aishwarya.
right, right.
So you can go to next slide. Yeah, be grateful is something that we have been telling. So at this time, it is very difficult, but we don't have a choice. And when we don't have a choice, then we have to be grateful about whatever has happened, is not the end of the story. So gratefulness is like when you start gratefulness, keep appreciating about your goodness of this life. Now everybody will ask, what is so appreciating and good about this pandemic world? I would rather say ki, um, you have not lost the charm. All this environment, all this beautiful things of talking to your own loved ones and being with your own family, and you have been doing so many things which you have been not been doing before pre-corona times, right? So appreciate that, and in fact, all this nature, all this things that are like related to um, nature as well as other things that was not there in you, the moral education, the idea of donation and giving to somebody, the creative part of you, which was not there for a couple of years, now suddenly it has revamped you as a person. So be very hopeful about that things would be going to be better in the coming days. Be grateful that you have somehow survived. Your people are getting survived. People have now so much brainy these days, so a lot of people have been condemning their families, their friend circle, and a lot of things in life. Now, Corona has let them know that these all this money related, financial related, all this power related things are all useless when you're not able to sustain yourself. the
Right, right.
the meaning of life is basically to understand what is my purpose in life. Once I define my purpose in life, what I want to achieve, and how in the life as well as after the life I will the people know me uh, for my things that I have done, good things that I have done. So you decide it yourself. How would you be known in the future, in this life as well as life, a life after death? You can do it. So this is how, be grateful for everything. We also suggest people to do a ledger entry of those things, that beautiful things that has happened in a day. Now once ledger, why ledger is done, ledger is done to make sure that you become habitual. So once you appreciate yourself for every single things that is happening to you, good things happening in a day, there are several good things happening in a day to you, right? So make a ledger end of the day so that it becomes very easy for you to appreciate things in life. And once you do it for a couple of days, let's say about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you'll find pleasure in appreciating the goodness of life. That's how it works. So that is why we say be grateful and start writing the ledger from today itself, right? So
Right.
yes, so this is all about being grateful. We can go to the next slide. We are almost come to the end of the slide. We'll take up the questions after that. Now, hope
Yes.
is not a lottery ticket that anybody speaks about it and you'll get it, right? You have to work for it. That's what I said, even the ledger entry. Now, you need to develop your skills. And this is the best time for the startups and people who are entrepreneurs and people who are looking for careers. Even the people, I would not say about much about kids, but kids के लिए, I have already said what they should be doing. The young peoples who are looking for the careers, they are so much saddened these days, and they're so much hopeless about the life, that what the career would be in the coming days. No, this is the time you have to build yourself, build your startups, improve your skill set, improve you as a personality who can speak properly in front of a lot of people. Pitching sessions we talk about. A lot of people are not able to speak up properly. how you are going to pitch it, how you are going to speak properly with so many people, or maybe four people, how you develop your communication skills so that you can, make sure that this never becomes a problem for you, a barrier for you in the coming days. So this is the best time you can actually help yourself in developing. Now, things like speaking and storytelling can be done. Things like innovating your product and services in a startup, in a entrepreneurship. Every time, every situation, you have to develop your products and services, innovate it, innovate in a sense that people appreciate it all the way that they have been. So product development and innovation is a regular process for a startup, otherwise you will not sustain in the market. Now this is the best time. You market your through social media. I have seen a lot of startups marketing, in fact, for all this 1.5 years now. They have been marketing their stuffs like anything, because they don't have anything to do. Now they have been proper placing their marketing skills and startup story in the various social media platforms. That's how you. So it's building you, right? So networking and bootstrapping is also you can look forward to, because these are all that you can sit in front of your mobile and a laptop or a desktop and do all these things, so that your future should be, in fact, it is bright. But this is developing you as a person. Have some. So hope it matters. It's a choice, can be learned, can be shared with others. अगर आप तक अभी तक नहीं है तो please start it. So this is the right time. It's never too late. You have survived so many things in your life that has gone very bad with people around. So let's hope that things would be better and very good in the future. So that's all from me regarding hope. And I'm ready for any questions. Aishwarya, if you have any questions related to it, I can answer those.
Like the session was very, 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 very awesome. Like we actually from like last 1.5 year, we are already facing these things, right? Like all the things described by you is very good. Like we can recall all the things like in last 1.5 years, what things are like we are going with what circumstances,
Yep.
right? Like I want to ask you something ki, if somebody like is very interrogative, ठीक है? Like introvert, sorry,
Introvert, right? Hmm.
right? So what skills you should suggest him or her?
I was just thinking, a very nice question, by the way. So, this is one of the common thing that people have been saying, that they are very introvert, or probably my kid is very introvert, and in fact, they don't feel like speaking. See, that is not a solution that you should be looking at. In fact, the same thing remains and becomes a barrier in your communication in the future. And so, my suggestion is, make sure that how you have to come out of it, and how you start speaking to people around. So, being introvert, you are going to lose every aspects of life, professionally and personally. And this is something, in fact, when you get into deeper mental health problems, then that's it becomes very critical to you. So making sure that you speak to somebody, you have a group of people, there is a support system that you can make. So support system is basically, it's a concept that is mostly in US. You necessarily do not need to make a social group or something, but it a support system is like, we give people, get together with a reason to help, or to work on some those gray areas or something which is not in them. So you can make people, there are three people you can decide among yourself that how you have to develop the habit of speaking and talking about and storytelling, and doing everything to make sure that communication is never hampered, and communication is never about your what do you say is, the language should not be a barrier. So no matter
Right,
whatever language you speak, so your all those introvert nature would never be a problem in the future if you start speaking in your own language, and start speaking more frequently. One more people question about is about
right,
English speaking skills. I say I don't consider that this is something which cannot be learned, because everything can be learned in this. You should have that interest in you, whether you want to learn or not. Um, So develop a
Uh,
habit of making a group
there
of,
is
yeah, group of four people, and then two to three people who can actually, you can regularly converse with them, talk about a topic, or do the storytelling initially.
right. Zaid, there is a question from Farhan. Like
Fareen,
how
I guess. Yeah.
sorry, how to encourage a people to take up a counseling session?
How to encourage? Uh, First is this in counseling. Give me a moment because I'm looking for a power source because these things are not visible. Give me a moment, huh?
Sure, sure.
Now, all this platform is basically to help people come out of the problems of not being able to speak properly in front of a lot of people, right? So that is why we make sure that their privacy is in fact they are not able to make trust, I mean trust people around, right? So how they will gain trust is basically to understand that you have to come out of it first. You have to accept that something has gone bad with you, and the second step is basically to find out solution for it, accept and move on. Now once you accept that something has done badly to you, or this is the current problem with me, and I have to come out of it, you will only come out when you accept the problem first, number one. So a lot of people don't have the acceptance, and that is why they are not able to come out of the problem. Now first is accept, and then you start reaching out to whom you find. So what I suggest is, our platform gives you enough liberty and privacy to speak to us. Uh, we are not going to, in fact, the kind of um, services we are into, mental health. In fact, health is a priority, and privacy is maintained. And if you go to US side and people from the Western world, the entire mental health and the health sector is basically, it's very private to yourself, and there is HIPAA that controls all this. So in India, it is a tough time because a lot of people fear the privacy, and it's like यहाँ पे किसी को अगर AIDS भी हो जाता है, so it gets floated around, and people who can actually sustain for a longer period of time, they get bounced by the people and the public, and finally they end of their life, right? So यहाँ पे privacy की problem होता है. Let me assure you कि your things are very private to us, and you can talk to us with any of the mediums that is being provided, and we'll go with couple of sittings. We'll understand your problems. We go with a logic where our counselors try to understand what kind of problems you are getting into. So whether it's related to your financial problem, your career problem, or a relationship problem, after tracking and tracking it, analyzing it, your counselor then direct your problem to somebody who is an expert in that particular field. So suppose somebody is having a relationship problems and a problem of bullying and all those stuffs. So who would be the proper relationship, the person who was handling the relationship counseling, and they would be taking care of the case. And once on first sitting, if you are relieved or you think that your case must go on, you can proceed with the next of the sessions. And if you don't feel that it's not good, then you can come out of it. So there is always a solution, and we make sure that we give you a best solution, so as that it's like it's again a mutual consent. You'll feel better, then only you get to the next level of conversation. So trust factor
Right.
cannot be built within a day or two, maybe, but one or two talks can actually help you gain confidence whether the other person who is trying to help me out is going to, give me a proper, solution to it, or the person is not competent enough. But you have to take a chance.
Right, right. Like previously, like uh, uh, many people just like if Corona is there, like in Corona times, like if people is like having Corona, then the news is viral everywhere.
Right.
So many times people don't like talk about it. They have Corona.
Yes, yes. So that is why in most of the village areas and rural areas, people they have been diagnosed with, in fact, not diagnosed. They have the indication of, getting into corona because of this taste, losing the taste, and obviously the other stuffs. It's quite evident, and these people do not come up with any kind of, speaking about it because it was very widely, and in fact, they are losing lives there as well. So.
Ah,
That's not a solution, but you can't do anything about it because this is the
they are
insecurity in ourselves.
getting stressed when their reports are positive.
Yes, a lot of people. In fact, that is like even I had somebody in my family went into that kind of thing where uh, got much, in a kind of stress due to, this report, and finally, in another 2 or 3 days, we lost him. So this is something that is widely evident, and it's again I said in the initial time that it's all starts from your mind and ends up with the mind. So if your mind is positive and you have a strong willpower, you will be able to sustain every struggles and problems in life. But if it is not strong enough, then obviously it is very cancerous. Your negative emotions and your hopelessness and all these negative things are very, like it's very cancerous. All this rage, anger, and all those stuff we say,
We
right?
need this
Aggressiveness is
kind.
cancerous. Yeah, it will kill you more before time.
Like in this time, like we need such type of mentors in our life. Because like from past 1.5 years, the situations are very disruptive.
Yeah. So we have been,
Sometimes good.
just for your information, we have been also doing couple of sessions from the One Life platform to talk about people from different aspects of life, talking about how to cope up with different situations and how they were able to, cope up with their problems in life. So our intention is very much, visible to a lot of people outside there that mental health is not a major problem. It's just a taboo only because people are not speaking about it. So there is a solution for everything, but you need to accept that yeah, there is a solution. Somebody is there to help me out. That trust has to be built if you actually want to, help each other.
Right, right. Okay,
All done. So you have
done, done.
more questions, but I think this session has it's just a beginning, so we can also do this in the coming days. And
Right, right. Sure.
once again, thanks to a lot of work you have been doing to promote startups and promote their stories, and be blessed. In fact, until unless we have any more questions, we can just and leave for the day.
Thanks to you also for this awesome session. Like, okay.